स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू अवर चैनल। आज हम 8th क्लास का पॉलिटिकल साइंस का फर्स्ट चैप्टर करने जा रहे हैं। इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर देखेंगे पहले, ठीक है। मैच द फॉलोइंग, सबसे पहले देखिए मैच द फॉलोइंग में क्या आएगा, डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद। इसमें क्या आएगा, ये आएगा चेयरमैन ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन असेंबली। सेकेंड वन क्या है, प्रीमिएबल। प्रीमिएबल में आएगा इंडिया इज ए सोवरियन सोशलिस्ट सेक्युलर डेमोक्रेटिक रिपब्लिक। थर्ड वन डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल ऑफ स्टेट पॉलिसी, ये आएगा वेलफेयर स्टेट। फोर्थ वन है पार्लियामेंट्री फॉर्म्स ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। इसमें क्या आएगा, इंडियन प्रेसिडेंट इज कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल हेड। नेक्स्ट वन है फंडामेंटल राइट्स। इसमें आएगा कॉन्साइंस ऑफ द इंडियन गवर्नमेंट। मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हेन वाज द कॉन्स्टिट्यूंट असेंबली ऑफ इंडिया एस्टैब्लिश्ड? द कॉन्स्टिट्यूंट असेंबली वाज एस्टैब्लिश्ड इन जुलाई 1946. Who was the permanent chairman of the Constituent Assembly? Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the permanent chairman of the Constituent Assembly. Who was the president of drafting committee? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the chairman of the drafting committee. When was the Constitution of India adopted by the Constituent Assembly? The Constituent Assembly adopted the Constitution on November 26, 1949. How much time did Constituent Assemblies take to make the Indian constitutions? The Constituent Assembly took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to frame the constitution. Most important question है. When was the Indian Constitution implemented? Indian Constitution was implemented on 26 January 1950. What is meant by permeable? The permeable is a summary of the objectives and the basic philosophy of the constitutions. Is permeable a part of constitutions? But the permeable is not a part of the constitution. What is the source of authority according to the permeable? The permeable expresses in a very clear language that the peoples are the ultimate source of all authority. How many members were there in the Constituent Assembly? The Constituent Assembly consisted of 389 members. Move to the next question. Why does a democratic country needs a constitution? ये ऐसे पूछ सकते हैं, what is the need of constitution for a democratic country? All the democratic countries of the world have constitutions. Democratic country needs constitution due to following reasons. Supreme law of country. Constitution is the supreme law of state. The governments at the state and central level work within the sphere of powers given to them by the constitutions. Next one है provide basic rules. Constitution provide basic rules and principles on the basis of their which democratic government is run. Nature of government. It is the constitutions which decided how the governments will be organized. Fourth one है rules of law. Rules of law is a basic feature of a democratic country and constitutions makes provision for rules of law. Limitations on the governments. Constitution puts in limitations on the 3 organs of government. What would happen if there were no restrictions on power of elected representatives? In a democratic countries, government is run by elected representatives. In India, legislative and executive powers are vested with the elected representatives of the peoples. It is very essential that the elected representatives should exercise their powers to serve the people. They should exercise their powers in accordance with the provision of the constitutions. There should be some constitutional and legal restrictions on the powers of the elected representatives. If there would be no restrictions, then elected representatives will misuse the power for their selfish interest and they will not serve the peoples. Constitutions limits the power of elected representatives in many ways. Generally, the powers of the elected representatives are limited by giving fundamental rights to the citizen. Move to the next question. In each of the following situations, identify the minority right. One reasons why you think it is important to respect the views of the minority in each of these situations. देखिए इसमें, in a school with 30 teachers, 20 of them are males. In a city, 5% of the populations are Buddhist. देखिए, in a school with 30 teachers, women teachers are in minority. Male teachers should respect the views and wishes of women teachers because under the constitutions, both men and women are equal. In a city, 5% of populations are Buddhist. इसका आएगा, in a city, Buddhists are in minority and majority should respect the religions and sentiments of the Buddhist. नेक्स्ट वन है, इन अ फैक्ट्री मैस फॉर ऑल एम्प्लॉयज 80% आर वेजिटेरियंस. इसका आएगा, इन अ फैक्ट्री मैस नॉन वेजिटेरियंस आर इन अ माइनॉरिटी एंड मेजोरिटी वेजिटेरियंस शुड रेस्पेक्ट द व्यूज ऑफ माइनॉरिटी. In case of 50 students, 40 belongs to more well-off families. In a class of 50 students, 10 students who are not well-off are in a minority. Majority should respect the views of minority so that inferior